try to help people, try to train people, and to inspire them to do good thing. Okay.
Do you have any suggestion or a message for people who are trying to improve themselves to become entrepreneurs in the future, or they are just starting to become entrepreneurs? Do you have any message for them?
Okay. So thing, I think very simple. To be a good people. To be a good people first. Good people here meaning that try to help people, try to train people, and to inspire them to do good thing. Okay. And the second thing, to be try to be a knowledgeable people, because when you have knowledge, you can share, you can take, you can train. I'm a business owner, but I can take a university because I have knowledge, and because I have a willingness to share with the student, and I have a willingness to help society, to help my community to get better with my knowledge, with my experience. And the final thing, that willing to share with even new partner, new friend like you and me today. Okay, we met the first time, but I'm willing to share the good thing, the good experience of me with you and with young people that we share. Okay. And that's my simple advice for simple sharing with other people. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your sharing. We really appreciate it, and I'm really happy to meet you today and talk with you about this.